Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a unboxing video of my brand new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera for my YouTube videos, and also some accessories I bought for this camera. I bought this camera from this website called Tri-State Camera, Video, and Computers. They have this camera on sale for $498.99. So compared with Amazon price and some other online website, this is the cheapest option for a brand new camera. So this is my first time to open it up, so we'll see what's going on, what's in there. Okay, right off the box, you'll see some booklets. This is the warranty card and online photo album from Canon, and this is I believe this is the menu. It has different languages. It's a pretty thick book. It's gonna take some time to read through. Okay, let's see. Then let's set things aside. Okay, let's leave the camera out for a minute. Let's see what's going on. What's inside other than the cameras. Okay. So this is the charger. Okay, this is Canon battery charger. Okay, it is input 100 volt to 240 volt and 50-60 hertz. And output is 4.2 volt. Okay. Let's set this aside. We'll see what this is. This is the important safety instructions. Okay, it's just a paper. Set that aside. Okay. Now this is the battery. See, it's a Canon battery. Okay. That's just the battery. See what's last. This is a camera, like a string. Let's see. Hook on to the camera. Okay. So that's just it. Okay. All right. Let's get into the most important part. That's the camera. Okay, so this is the camera. Okay, it says, if you can see, it says PowerShot G7X Mark II. Okay, of course, this is the front of the camera. This is the side of the camera. It has USB input and HDMI input, I believe. Okay, here it is. So here it has two ports. One is for charging USB, and the other is HDMI. Okay, put it back in. Okay, here it's the like a Wi-Fi connection, and let's see what else stands up. Okay, on the bottom there's a screw. I think it can mount to a tripod, and on the bottom this is where you put the battery in. Okay, what's in here? Oh, this is the Wi-Fi. I believe it says Wi-Fi. And here is where you put that camera thing over here to connect to it. Okay, so the main reason I bought this camera over, I had another camera. It's a Sony Alpha 6000, and I didn't use it much because for YouTube videos, I need to have a capability of having the screen, fold up. So when I take a video, I can still see myself. So it's not like blinded. So this is the main reason that I bought this camera. Okay. Okay, that's what this camera is about in the box. And I'm gonna put it back and set it aside. So the accessories I bought, first is the tempered glass for the touch screen. So it's protected. That's always the first thing I buy for my electronics, my phones, my iPads, everything. So I'm gonna apply that later. And the other thing I wanna show you guys is a camera bag. This is the camera bag that I bought from buydig.com. They have this camera bag with some with tripod and the bonus accessory kit, originally for $49. It was originally $49, and they have it on sale for only $14. So I immediately grab it because I'm getting a new camera anyways. Let's see what's in here. Okay. All right. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. First, this is the camera screen cleaning cloth. Okay. What's this? This is, not sure what this is, but let's see. Okay. I really don't know what this is. I'm sure it has something to do with the cameras, and we'll find out in a little bit. Okay, and then we have the screen guard. I think this is the screen protector. It's just for whatever screens that's 3.5 inches. Well, I already bought a tempered glass. I really don't need this one. I will just set that aside. And this is the tripod. Come with it. So it's not bad actually for $14 and everything. So this is the tripod. Let me see. Okay. This is like the, okay. Well, for the sake of having a very simple tripod, it's good. For the price, let's set this aside. Okay, let's see what else. This is deck gear camera lens cleaner. Okay, this is a cleaner. Okay, set that aside. What's next? This is, what is this? Okay, this is like a brush that you can clean the camera, I believe. Okay, set this aside. And this is like you can put air, like air blow into the camera to clean the dust off your camera, so it's good. Let's see what else. This is okay. This is just those kind of alcohol type of. It's alcohol-free like cleaning cloth. Okay, set that aside. What's else? Okay. This is for the bag. Okay, for the camera bag. And lastly, let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, this is the same type of thing for the camera. Like a little string type of thing. And yeah, it's for your camera. Same thing I had with the camera already. came with the camera. So this is the bag. Overall, it's well protected, has some cushions in there all the way around. It has some smaller bags that you can put your batteries in. And I'm happy with $14, get a lot of stuff with the $14 purchase. So that's what I bought so far for my camera, and I'm gonna spend some time to look into the camera and rate my menu, see what I can set up my camera, make it ready for other YouTube videos. And this is the quick unboxing video. Hope you guys like it. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you leave the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.